Say it again. What are you typing?
How do you spell niobium?
Okay.
Spell 怎么拼呀？
你想一想 just like it sounds.
SP就是 SPEE 两个 E 吗
No, 一个 E, one E and two L's.
哦，我听
SPELL.
SPELL
Then what?
space
Mm-hmm.
and then niobium.
How do you spell niobium?
Niobium.
Niobium. Is that cool? How do you spell niobium?
Niobium.
Okay, great. So you can spell niobium, but you can't spell spell. Is that right?
我现在会了。
Oh, right now you can spell spell. How do you spell spell?
SPELL.
Okay, great. Say hi to your fans.
SPELL.